Okay, door skin separated from the right hand Mustang door 66 coupe. This is why we do it. Look at that. Oh, that's just beautiful, man. Ho, ho, ho. You can see how the corrosion gets into the edge of the door skin with the overlap. If you overlap, wherever it's overlapped, it will rust. That's the beauty of the fish oil. It actually creeps in between that gap. Trust me, fish oil is going to save your car. You do a repair, fish oil it. This could have all been fish oiled as well too. That would have just made that still really nice. Okay, I know the car's 60 years old, but still. Good old fish oil. You buy a car new, fish oil it. Buy 4-wheel drive. Fish oil the chassis. It's going to save you lots of corrosion. Anyway, they've done a wonderful job of pushing bog through the rust hole from the other side. And that's the result. The beauty of bog too is that it actually is absorbent, so it soaks up the water and it will stay in there, and it just helps the rust take off. Just what we want. Not. Fucking idiot. That's where they pushed it through on the corner there, and you can see the edge of the frame here has started to go as well. Anyway, you can see this is why we separate these frames. Look at all the access we've got now. We can clean all this up, use the phosphoric acid on it, clean it all up, because it's only surface, not detrimental to the frame at all. Oh, beautiful old Henry Ford with his bitumen. Look at that. That bitumen buddy put up against the door skin. Oh, they must have been hoping that they'll all rust out in 10 years and have to buy new parts. That's what it looks like on the inside. We'll make progress now. I think the door skin comes next week. And we'll size it up to the original door skin. I'm pleased it's original because that allows me to make sure that the gaps are going to be right when it goes back on the car. So that's a good look at the inside of the doors. And you know, you can restore the car, restore the outside of your doors, do your rust repairs on the panel itself. But you've got to remember that this is all still on the inside. If you spray fish oil over the top of that rust, it will stop it from continuing on. It will suffocate it. So it does help, even though that the door looks like this. But getting the door skin off, we're going to be able to make a massive difference to this door. Okay, peoples, thanks for watching.